So you want to grow your money with Betterment? Great choice. But before you dive headfirst into the world of automated investing, a question might be nagging at you. What exactly do I need to get started? Well, wonder no more, because today we're cracking open the Betterment vault, figuratively speaking, of course, to answer exactly that. What is the qualifying deposit for Betterment? Now, Betterment offers a couple of different account options, so the answer depends a bit on what you're looking for. Let's break it down. Cash Reserve, your everyday money hub. Think of Betterment Cash Reserve as your supercharged checking account. It's a safe and secure place to park your cash, but unlike a traditional bank account, Cash Reserve offers a much higher interest rate, currently sitting at a sweet 5% APY, annual percentage yield. That's compared to the national average for checking accounts, which is a measly 0.06%, a difference that could really add up over time. Here's the beauty of Cash Reserve: there's no minimum deposit required to open an account. That's right, you can start small with just $10 and still enjoy all the benefits, like FDIC insurance to keep your money safe. But if you're looking to unlock a special bonus, there is a qualifying deposit involved. Betterment occasionally runs promotions where depositing a specific amount within a short time frame can boost your Cash Reserve APY for a limited period. These promotions can be quite generous, offering an extra 0.25% to 0.75% on top of the standard rate. However, the qualifying deposit amount can vary, so it's always best to check Betterment's website or app for the latest offer details. Investing for the long haul, Betterment's core strength. Now, let's talk about what Betterment is truly famous for: automated investing. This is where you can set and forget your financial goals, letting Betterment's algorithm do the heavy lifting. Based on your risk tolerance and time horizon, Betterment builds a diversified portfolio of low-cost exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the entire market or specific sectors. It rebalances your portfolio automatically, keeping you on track for your financial goals, whether it's a dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or that down payment on your future house. Again, there's no minimum deposit required to open a Betterment investing account. You can start small and gradually increase your contributions over time. However, it's important to remember that the more you invest, the greater your potential returns. Finding the right fit, it's all about your goals. So, the qualifying deposit for Betterment depends on what you're using the platform for. Cash Reserve offers the flexibility of a checking account with a higher interest rate, with a minimum deposit of just $10 and occasional promotions with qualifying deposits. Betterment's core investing service has no minimum deposit, but remember, the more you invest, the more your money can grow over time. The beauty of Betterment is that it allows you to start small and scale up as you get comfortable. Whether you're looking for a high-yield savings account or a robo-advisor to manage your investments for the long term, Betterment offers a user-friendly platform with a variety of options to fit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.